Hello everyone. In this session, we'll talk about data handling first. Now in data handling, there are many steps. The first step of data handling is let's solve a few examples to firm up our understanding about arithmetic mean and range. Age of students in my hobby class are what I want to know is who is the youngest in my class and what is the age of my eldest student in my class. So to find this information, what I need to do is I need to organize the collected data. So let me organize data. I will use the simplest form of organization, which is ordering them in ascending order. So once I organize the data, it is quite evident that the youngest student 9 years, whereas age of the oldest student 16 years. Now let's also find what is the average age of students in my hobby class. So when I say average age, what we are trying to find is arithmetic mean. So what is the formula for mean? The formula for mean is sum of observations divided by count of observations. Now let's do the sum of observations. Let's do a few sums about arithmetic mean and range. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. So what are the whole numbers? We know when we add 0 to the natural numbers, we get whole numbers. So which is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is 0. So we have to take first 5 whole numbers. So we'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have got the 5 whole numbers. Now we want to find the mean, arithmetic mean, and the formula for mean is equal to sum of observations divided by count of observations. Two. Therefore, following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So we have 3 players, player A, player B, player C, and we have 4 games per player. Now what we need to do? Now answer the following questions. Find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. Let's write is equal to, so that is equal to 50 divided by 4, and that is equal to 12.5. So average points for player A is equal to 12.5. The next thing we need to answer is to find the mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4, and why? So what do you think? Should we count the games as 3 or 4? If you observe, player C did not play in game 3. So if he's not played in game 3, we should not be counting this game in the number of games he played. And that means player C has only played 3 games, or while calculating the mean number of points per game, we should include only 3 games, and hence mean number of points for player C is equal to sum of points divided by count of games. That gives us 32 divided by 3, and hence the final answer is 10, 2 upon 3. So mean number of points for player C is 10, 2 upon 3. Let's now find the mean points for player B as well. Now if you see here, player B has played in all the games, but in the first game he has scored 0. So should we consider that 0 as a game? Yes, of course, we should consider that as a valid game because he played in the game and scored 0 points. If he had not played, then we would have not considered that game. But because he played and scored a 0, while we calculate the mean points or the arithmetic mean, we need to consider this game as a valid game. That means mean points for player B is equal to 18 upon 4, and that is 4 1 upon 2. Now we know the average points scored by A is 12.5. The average points scored by B is equal to 4 1 upon 2, 4.5, and by C are equal to 10 2 upon 3. So who has scored the highest average points per game? It is player A. Therefore, the heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter, and the results are as follows: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, and 141. What is the height of the tallest girl? What is the height of the shortest girl? What is the range of data? What is the mean height of the girls? And how many girls have heights more than the mean height? So let's write the data given. Now since we need to find the height of tallest girl and height of shortest girl, what we need to do is we need to organize the data. So let's organize the data in ascending order. So records in ascending order are once we order the data, now let's find height of the tallest girl. And height of tallest girl is 151 centimeter. And height of shortest girl is equal to 128 centimeters. The range of data is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation, which is equal to 151 minus 128, and that is 23. The mean height is equal to let's add all the heights and divide by 9 as there are 9 students. That is equal to 1265 divided by 9, and that is equal to 140.55 centimeters. I'm sure you would love to watch our other videos on data handling. Do watch these videos, leave us comments, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get notifications whenever we upload more videos. Till then, goodbye.